Victoria, and today I am making a chicken rice soup. It comes out delicious and perfect for this weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to start with this recipe. So let me show you my ingredients. I have cilantro, bacon, chicken bouillon, rice, mixed veggies, chicken broth, 1 cream of chicken, and of course my chicken breast. So let's get started. Let's start with this delicious soup. I am going to start with my bacon. I like to start cutting my bacon in about 1/2 inch so that when they start cooking, it gets all nice and crispy, everything at the same time. This is the part I like to do first when I'm going to add bacon to my soups or to any dish that I'm cooking. As you could see, they're very small and I am so ready to put them in the pan. From here, I'm going to take it to the pan. I have my pan nice and hot. I'm going to add my bacon and I'm going to start cooking it. It's going to be cooking for just a couple minutes before they start getting nice and crispy. So I'll see you back. We want our bacon to be nice and crispy. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is coming out. I'll show you when I'm ready to take the bacon out and it's nice and crispy. We need just a couple more minutes. While my bacon is cooking, I'm going to start with my chicken breast. With my chicken breast, I have it nice and clean and dry. I'm going to start cutting it in long slices. And I'm going to cut my pieces at about 1/2 inch. 1 inch to 1/2 inch. Just to make sure that my chicken cooks everything at the same time. And they're nice and cooked and the pieces are bite-sized. Look at this. This is how I like to cut my chicken breast. I'm going to continue cutting my chicken breast and I will show you how this looks when I am done cutting my chicken breast. I try to do every piece the same. I have finished cutting my chicken breast. As you could see, they're nice and small and all the pieces are almost the same size. I am so ready to start with my cilantro. It's nice and cleaned and dry. I'm going to start cutting my cilantro in small little pieces because the cilantro I'm going to add into my soup. So I like to dice it very, very small so it will incorporate completely and it will look so beautiful in the chicken soup. I'm going to show you how this looks when I'm done. Look at this. This is how you should cut your cilantro when you're going to add it to your soup. Okay, let's go see how our bacon is doing. My bacon is nice and crispy, as you could see it. I'm going to remove it. I have a plate with a napkin, and I'm going to remove the bacon completely. Here, I have everything here. I just added a napkin so all the grease stays there. I'm about to add my rice to the same pan so that everything incorporates and I could include all the juices of the bacon. I'm going to add my chicken broth. And the chicken broth is going to remove everything from the bottom and it's going to give the soup such a delicious flavor. We're going to mix it very well and we're going to start by adding our chicken bouillon. Remember, chicken bouillon is to taste. I'm going to add my chicken bouillon. I'm going to add my cream of chicken. I'm only adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons. This is going to make it very creamy, very delicious. and it's all that you need to add. I'm going to mix it completely to incorporate completely all the chicken cream, because as you could see it, there's little clumps here and there, and we want to dissolve it completely before we add our chicken. I am so ready to add the chicken. I'm going to add it. I'm going to mix it and incorporate it. And it's going to be cooking for about 30 minutes. When it's nice and bubbling, I'll show you that step. Everything is nice and incorporated. So I'll see you back in a little bit. I am going to let it boil, let the chicken cook slowly for at least 20 minutes, and I'll see you back when the chicken is nice and tender. My soup has been cooking for 30 minutes. It's nice and soft. The rice has already plumped up. It looks really nice. I'm going to add my mixture of my veggies. I'm going to incorporate it. Okay. And I'm going to add my cilantro. I'm going to add the cilantro and I'm going to cook it for just 10 more minutes. And then this soup will be ready to enjoy. I'm going to mix, let it cook for another 10 minutes, and then I'm so ready to taste this delicious soup. My friends, I am ready. The soup is ready. I'm going to turn the stove off, and I have toasted some bread here with just a little bit of butter to combine it with my soup. So I'll see you when I'm ready to taste this delicious soup. With this chicken soup, I have combined it with some toast bread and a little bit of butter right on the top, and I am so ready to taste it. Let's see how this came out. Perfect for this cold weather. Okay, excuse me. Nice and hot. Combination, perfection. This soup, it came out really sweet, really delicious, really creamy, and combined with the toast bread with just a little bit of butter on the top, perfection. Thank you so much, my friends, for watching my video. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Bye-bye.